No problem. Today, our experiment comprises two experiments. First, we have to learn how to do blood film. First. Second, we have to recognize the different type of white blood cells. Okay? So we will learn the technique of the types of white blood cell till we do the blood film. So first step is to do the blood film, and after actually we have to distinguish between them. Right. Before we going in the blood film, I want actually to talk a bit about the white blood cell. The white blood cell in general involved in the immune system. Yani they fight infections in the body easily, like this. So without white blood cell, which we call it leukocytes usually, we don't have actually that protection against viral infection, about bacterial infection, about any kind of pathogens. Our body has two systems for protection. The first one is the skin, dermatology, or derma, what we call it derma, which is the first organ protected our system from outside environment. And second one is the immune system, which comprises different type of cells. The main one of them is the white blood cells. Yes, the white blood cells, all of them do the same function, which is the protection, but not all of them do the same function. I mean, they have different enemies. Like we are talking about national army. The national army has different types, like those who protect the border, those who protect the sky, those who protect the water services, and so on. So the same for the bacteria. Each one is responsible to protect the body from kind of pathogens, so that they are differing in protection. In protection from what? Yani from the reason or from the inflammation. And second one is that they are differing also in shape of the cell. We can also distinguish between them, not based only on what is function of each one of them, but how they look and how many they are. Okay? The first type, which is neutrophil, we call it neutrophil. Look here at that picture. If you look here, you find those dots here, huh? You see it? We call them loop. Usually the neutrophil is multi-looped, is 3 to 5 looped. Yani this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Usually the neutrophils has more than 3 loops and less than 5, either 3 to 5. So those kind is the common type of white blood cell, which is consists about 60% from the total number of white blood cell. The second type is the eosinophil. Eosinophil. That one has two big loops. So instead of 3 to 5, we have 2 big loops. But we have something else also. If you look at the color here, I mentioned red color. So here we distinguish or recognize blue color. صح? While here, because we use actually the right stain, what we call it right stain. Right stain, okay? Right stain. This one we didn't pronounce. Right stain. Right stain is the stain which we use to stain the white blood cell. Okay? So we use a specific kind of lymphocyte, which is the one which is responsible especially for bacterial inflammation. That type looks like how the moon, when the moon is the 14th, 15 days, full day. So it takes almost full cell is the lymphocyte. So this one is very easy to catch. This one is very easy to catch. This one is very easy to catch. So sometimes people actually get confused between the basophil and monocyte. how we distinguish between them? This one consists five. It's in references they say they looks like kidney shaped, like kidney. The kidney is behind me. Can't bring it. No. Where is it? So kidney shape like this. look now كمان بنلاقيها ما قلت انه بنلاقي هذا صعب انا قلت هذا very hard to have this one is very hard to do. Okay? So this one look more or less like this shape, but for me I find them that it's a bit larger. It's look like apple as I have drawn to you. Okay, it's look like somehow like the shape of apple. Anyways, if you find this shape, this is the monocyte. خلاص isn't a piece of them. Right. So monocyte consists 5 to 6%. خلاص طيب. So white blood cells has 5 types. Those types are first neutrophil, second type eosinophil, third type basophil, fourth type lymphocyte, and fifth type is monocyte. They are differing in shape, they are differing in percentage, they are differing in function, but all of them involved in the immune system and protection of the body.
كيف الطريقة اللي نشوف فيها اللي 0.5 مش احنا نهم يعني كيف شفنا أي مشهر بأي عدد.
We can find them, but we need actually يعني this one it's possible to find it, but not that easy. The meaning of this, not each sample consists this one. And not each sample you take it, you can get actually basophil because it's just like rare 0.5. So it's not that easy. And compared with 60, there is a huge difference. Huh? By the way, you have to keep into account always. We have red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. So this one million. This one in 1,000. This one in few tenth. يعني we are talking about number 10th, 70, 80. صح؟ طيب white blood cell in 1,000 in compare of red blood cells which is in millions. So if we look at the slide, we find red blood cell, and then we find one which is blue, which is the white blood cell. خلاص? So those is big up. We can distinguish between them that they have a nucleus. Red blood cells don't have a nucleus. So if you look